Hi, my name is Evgeny Kim and Test Pro channel. So today I'm in Pasadena at company Bluebeam. Recently we established the relationship with this company to host a mock interview with our students. And today we have a chance to speak with QA director and QA manager of this company to talk about QA field in general. Let's go. Thank you for the invitation. Can you please tell our audience about your company?
Yeah, we're a PDF software company. We mostly target architecture, engineering, and construction industry and related industries. And we're mainly trying to make them more productive, more efficient, work through their workflows, target their workflows, and provide them with value.
How is the working process organized at Bluebeam?
No, generally the working process is as in any other software development company. Normally requirements are created and depends on product complexity or team structure. We have two different methodologies for software development. One of those is waterfall. We have legacy product which is utilizing waterfall development, and most other products which are more basically developed in recent times, they are using Agile Scrum development approach. So we have different group of peoples and different teams who develop in different type of products basically, and that's kind of set up the rules for different teams as well, because some of them are more slow motion because product is extremely complex. It's not modular. It's require a lot of testing time and development time because there is a lot of internal relationships inside of the product. Some products are basically our set of APIs, right? Or in other products is mobile applications which are relatively small in comparison to our core product, which is review. Yeah, that there is different variations, and it's kind of sets the expectations for each team and structure of the team as well. So
you know, the tech world is known for good benefits and perks. What are those at your company?
of course, we do have. We allow people. We have special policy to for people to work from home, and it's normally allowed when there is a need for that. We have happy hours. We have a lot of celebrations of success of our products. For example, Robert,
Yeah, we've got a bar downstairs. People every once in a while stay after work and chat and interact with each other, and I think that's a really good piece of the culture here.
We have also tennis table. We have foosball. We have a few places where we have gaming computers. The people can play games. So we have courtyards. We have attic where people can sit kind of in more calm and relaxed environment and have discussions related to the products and delivery of the products. I think it improves productivity because people can switch from what they were doing during the day, concentrating on something, and there is time for also for fun, for relaxation, for something that basically switch your mind, and then you can come back to your work tomorrow, next day morning, just go maybe play tennis and just just remove from your mind and from your body that stress that you probably had collected during few hours prior to that.
So as I saw, the quality assurance is a core process at your company. And could you please tell me, I saw that in online a lot of debates and resources saying that, oh, QA is dying. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I don't think it's going away. I think what's happening is it's specializing. It's becoming a little bit more technical. It's becoming a little bit, there's more requirements. There's more automation involved. Some harder skills than what used to be. I think the old days of having an enormous QA that you can just throw at a problem, those are gone. Mm-hmm. But in their place is very valuable positions that are actually in pretty high demand given that you have the right technical qualities, certificates, degrees, but also, as it always has been, you need to have sort of that analytical approach, the softer testing skills, the ability to be logical, have a problem-solving methodology. And all those things are still there, but now there's a lot stronger technical component. Understanding things about coding languages, that's more of a requirement than it used to be. So I don't think QA is going away. I think it's changing. I think that's the big difference.
Right, and I hear about that QA gone away for last at least 20 years. What I'm observing that it just changes. Anyone who is getting to the field needs to have very open mindset. It's extremely important that person have open mindset and is ready to learn, to come to the company. As a hiring manager, I know for sure that you cannot find the person who will come to the company and know everything that you need. It's not possible because everywhere different set of knowledge. So that's why it's extremely important that people who planning to come to the profession, which will survive and will stay in different ways, maybe, right? Maybe it will be more automated or completely automated. Yeah, that is there.
Yeah, as long as there's software, there'll be bugs. And as long as there's developers, they'll need somebody to check their work. And I think there's always going to be a position, especially at scale, there's going to be positions for quality.
What is the general quantities of QA jobs at Bluebeam?
Well, we have currently 24 people who works in this office and in San Diego office as well. We have also 2 offshore team, one in Bulgaria and another one in India. So it's total, we are a little bit over than 30 people who work for QA at Bluebeam.
What are the essential skills for job requirements?
What I'm always looking for outside of the basic baseline, which is technical skills, and that's going to be different for different positions. Those technical skills are baseline. That's to get in your foot in the door. But when you're in the interview, what I'm looking for is problem-solving skills, logic, reason, intuition, testing sense. Are you going to chase down the issue? Are you going to be able to work on your own? Are you going to just do the base, or are you going to try to do more? Do you have energy to challenge how we're doing things? Those are the kind of things that I'm looking for from somebody in an interview that's beyond just the technical skills, the hard skills. It's the soft skills. It's how do you think?
Yeah, and being a good team member.
So recently, TestPro and Bluebeam decided to do mock interviews for our students together. What are your expectations?
Well, be proactive, be active, be surprising, be something that will catch our attention. Say something that demonstrate your knowledge and again your willingness and readiness for the challenges that we have and any other software development companies in the world. Whenever you will go, you basically need to basically demonstrate those qualities and of course basic knowledge. So if we call in you or you come into us and we have that mock interview just to feel how it is, demonstrate those qualities, impress us.
Interviewing is a skill, and people should take every opportunity to do a mock interview, if not just to gain more experience with that skill, because nobody's good at something the first time they try it. To do it, absolutely. But what we're looking for, again, as he said, is it's more of a way of thinking, an approach, enthusiasm, energy, pushing through a problem, trying to answer the problem as best you can, being honest. I think it's really important to be honest.
What can you wish to our grads and students who are making changes in their lives and decided to start a career in the QA?
It is extremely challenging and interesting profession. It is there for a long time. It will stay. It's not going away under any circumstances. It does change, and it changed dramatically and very fast. And of course, the skill set is changing as well. But this profession to stay, it's 100%, and it stays for years. Gonna probably migrate from one to another status, or to from one condition to another condition, but it will be there. It's not going away. That's 100%.
All right, thank you very much, guys. It was
Thank you.
a
Yeah, thank you.
pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you very much.